This is a trading pyramid I came up with based on the logical progression of building a trading business. And first, you would need money. Um, you don't really need to have an office, so to speak. You need a computer and you would need a room to do it in. But you don't need to hang a shingle outside and attract customers. So you need money. So whatever this is, say you have $200 here, and I'm just going to fill in the missing data. This is kind of a pretty crude display. So you have money, and say you have $200 here. So you got 200 bucks in your account, and now the thing is that you want to trade the smallest size you can possibly trade. So you have a higher chance of making money overall. So I'm going to trade a micro lot. So they let you trade in micro lots now. They didn't always do that. A lot of brokers years ago would be like mini lots maybe. So you have this ability to put in this. Now you're going to pick the time frame. And what is your time frame going to... This is really a big deal, because if you don't have the time to babysit a 1 hour chart, then maybe your time frame is a day. And along with the size here would be how tight is your stop, but that's dictated by the time frame. The time frame is going to tell you how tight your stop is. So your stop loss and your take profit. That's dictated by the time frame. So these are the things you know for certain, that regardless of whether you're swing trading, stop entry, or whatever have you, using astrological signs and all that stuff. This is, if you stopped right here, this is plenty. Of course, the order type is dependent on the time frame, because if you're and the order type also is going to dictate the strategy you're going to use. So this is going to dictate, the order type is kind of a big deal. Although you need money, put the money at the bottom because you're still going to need that. The clicking is the last thing on your list. So anybody can pull the trigger on a particular order type. And without regard to, imagine you had no strategy, you're just like, okay. But this would either be a buy at the market. It's either going to be a market order, where you pull the trigger, and maybe you buy every hour the market drops, so that's time frame dependent, and that would be your strategy would dictate what kind of order. So you buy every down bar, or you're going to put buy stops above if you want to get in on a trend continuation and you want to get picked up in the stream. And this would be also time frame dependent, how long those orders last. Forever, or 15 minutes or something. And so this is a big deal. And of course, if you had buy limits here, it would still be time frame dependent, and it would be the range. You have to take in consideration how tight that stop is going to be, and you're still going to have to pull the trigger to make money. So to get back to the money that you put in the account, you've still got to pull the trigger. Now this might seem really crude and oversimplified, but I don't think it's any more complicated than this in the end. My pyramid's a little crooked here because I couldn't find a damn drawing tool to make it, so this should really be framed up a little better. And I think it's this simple. Now, MT4 allows you to deposit the money. Your broker's going to let you put the money in. MT4 will allow you to pick the size, the time frame, the order type, and you can either drag or drop your orders, or you can actually click them, double click them, or you can execute from a keyboard. But that's trading in a nutshell. Anybody want to add on to that? Be my guest. That's just that's it.